Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I will be making a vegetable stir fry. And I will not be using rice. For this dish, I will be substituting it with cauliflower rice. So if you guys are vegan, this is a good stir fry for you to use. Okay, so I added some chopped onions and red, yellow peppers, some green onion, and celery. So let's allow this to cook. And then I will be adding the cauliflower rice, and also I will be putting some soy sauce in this. Guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. The recipe description will be available below. Now let's add the soy sauce. Sorry for the smoke, you guys. This wok is really hot. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you like a 2-in-1 dish. I've previously made some lemon pepper wings, and you guys can go watch my video on my lemon pepper wings if you would like to make that to go with your dish. Please check out my food blog, tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com, for more recipes. Also guys, again, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chantel's Home Cooking. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have my lemon pepper wings that I did earlier, and here's the vegetable stir fry. And I am so hungry, guys. I have not eaten a thing at all for dinner, except I only ate breakfast, which you can call brunch because I did not wake up until after 12 noon time. So I am really hungry right now. Also, do not forget, check out my lemon pepper wings video if you want to make your own lemon pepper wings with this dish, or whatever dish you would like to add for your side with this, your main course. Make sure you look at any of my other videos, or you can go to my food blog at tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com and look up recipes to find something to go with your vegetable stir fry. Thank you again for watching, and you all have a blessed day. Also guys, be very productive while we're in quarantine, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.